Let's now look at how to set up a community interaction campaign. Once again, from the dashboard, click Create Campaign. For the objective under consideration, let's select Community Interaction. This enables two goals to grow your TikTok community and page visits. This can either get more people to follow your account or get more people to visit your profile or promote your live stream. Now let's scroll down to settings where we can adjust our campaign name. Let's do this one as Community Interaction 1. Then you also have the option of creating a split test to help split test your strategy, campaign budget optimization, and choosing a campaign budget as well. Let's hit Continue. You will once again be directed to a page similar to this where you can choose your ad group name, placements, whether the comments, downloads, and sharing is going to be allowed, your targeting, brand safety and sustainability, budget and schedule, and so on and so forth. But the major change from other campaigns is in our bidding and optimization section. This time in community interaction, we have the optimization goal, which can either be changed to follow or for TikTok page visits. You can also choose your bid strategy, whether that's going to be cost cap or maximum delivery. Now, this could be really helpful for a new brand launch. For example, a skincare line might run for 7 days, optimizing for follows with around 10 to 40 cents for CB follower, building an initial community. You can also use the TikTok page visits option. Now, this could be really helpful for profile engagement push. For example, a musician promotes a new playlist page via page visits, using Spark as to drive traffic to hashtag and music pages. Now, these are some of the ways community interaction campaigns might be used, and this is how you set up one. You can then hit Continue to get it up and running. This is it for now. See you in the next lesson.